We have been growing our veggies for years. The last 5 years, we've been fighting the Rolly Pollies or Pillbug. These bugs have been wiping out our veggies. We thought they were supposed to be great in the garden, but we have generations of them. How do we control Pillbugs? We have tried everything, and this is Debbie from Las Vegas, Nevada. So are you familiar with the Rolly Pollies?
Oh, yes, I used to torment them when I was a little kid.
I remember those as a kid as well.
Yeah.
If you know anything about Rolly Pollies or the Pillbugs, first of all, they're actually related to lobsters. I actually found that out, years ago.
Wow.
I think that's pretty unique. But they love moist conditions.
Yeah, that's it. You find them under bricks.
Right, so you find them under bricks, any debris that you have in the garden. But again, they need moist conditions to survive. Of course, they're feeding on decaying organic matter or material, right? So when you think about that, Mr. John, they're actually beneficial because they're doing nutrient recycling, right? But the thing is, if there's no decaying organic matter there, they will feed on little seedlings, which could be a problem.
So we need to provide them with a better diet of decaying organic material.
So if you get them decaying organic material, that will definitely help. But here's something else too that you have to think about, right? So we're talking about moist conditions. Culturally, maybe you have, bad drainage or something there. Something, maybe, collecting a lot of, moisture, maybe. Something else, that I would think about, as well is practice good sanitation, right? So you have to clean up your garden because that's where they're trying to overwinter, is where you have that old crop residue.
Sure.
So if you practice good sanitation, get rid of that crop residue, I think that may help. Now, I know some people that may try diatomaceous earth. I mean, you can try that. It may help, for a little while. I actually know somebody who would sink like a coffee can lid or a jar lid in the soil and fill it full of beer.
Oh, I've heard about that for slugs.
That actually works for, Rolly Pollies as well, Pillbugs. Of course, they'll fall in and they drown. That way they're attracted to the yeast. Okay. Something else that you could use, you have to be careful when you read and follow the label, slug snail bait. So any bait that contains iron phosphate, which is a lot safer, you can use that as well, if you have to. But I would practice good sanitation.
Right.
I like cultural practices. So yeah, extreme moist conditions, you need to kind of straighten that up a little bit, right? And then from there, I think you should be okay. I think it'll be fine.
I think so.
Yeah, but again, they are beneficial. Nutrient recycling is what they're doing. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.